Hello students, this is Rekha. Today we will do class 10 circles chapter exercise 10.2 12th question. See better, what is the question is there? A triangle ABC, this is a triangle ABC is drawn circumscribing a circle. This is circumscribing, see here, this point, this point, this point, this point. Three sides, this circle is meeting one point, okay? Circumscribing a circle of radius, this radius, how many centimeter? 4 centimeters, such that line segment BD, okay, line segment BD and DC. Try to understand BD and DC into which BC is divided into. This BC is divided by the point of D. So here point of D. Okay, this is BD 8 centimeter, DC is 6 centimeter. Now we will find AB length, AC length. This is the question. Okay. Now see here I drawn the diagram. Carefully listen. Once again I will repeat. See here, triangle ABC circumscribing a circle. So here see here, D point, E point, F point, it is meeting. And this circle radius, how many centimeter is there? 4 centimeter is there. BD is given 8 centimeter. I think BD is given. This is 8 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. So DC is the 6 centimeter. Now what is the question mark? AC length, AB length we will find. This is the question mark. Okay. Now carefully listen. First what we will do. See here, this is the external point. External point you are drawing two tangents, means that length is equal. Okay. This is the theorem 2. So this is 6 centimeter, means this is also 6 centimeter. You keep in your mind. Okay. Next BD. This is also external point to two tangents. This is 8 centimeter, means this is also 8 centimeter. Okay, first point you write it. Next again what is there? This is also external point to two tangents, but this length we don't know. So what we will take? This one we will take x, this one also we will take x. So first you keep in your mind. Okay, next what is there? First what we will do? Which one we will join? Carefully listen. OA join, OB join, OC join, OE join, OF join. Okay, already is given. This is 4 centimeter. So now you join which one? OA, OB, OC, OE, OF join it. First you write that point. Okay. Next what is there? AF equal to AE equal to, you are taking x. So let AF equal to AE equal to x, you write it. So now we will write the measurements. Okay, see here. Now we will write AB measurement. AB means what you will take? 8 plus x. First point you write AB is equal to 8 plus x centimeter. Next AC is equal to what we will write? 6 plus x. AC is equal to 6 plus x. Next BC is equal to 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 means it is a 14 centimeter. So this is AB length, this is AC length, this is the BC length. You keep one side. So first what we will do, this full triangle area I will find. This full triangle area finding I will use the Heron's formula. Heron's formula, okay, already 9th standard you learnt a Heron's formula, okay. So that formula we will use. First this full triangle area finding, which formula I will use? Heron's formula. What is the Heron's formula is there? First we will find the S, okay. S is equal to what is there? A plus B plus C by 2. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So S is equal to, first this one side what is there? 8 plus x. Next B means second side. Second side what we will take? 6 plus x. Next third side what we will take? 14. Okay, by 2. Okay. Now see here, S is equal to x plus x what? 2x. Okay. 8 plus 6 plus 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. Plus 28 by 2. Okay. Now see here, S is equal to, in this one something is the common. What is the common? 2 common. You take 2 common. 2 common means inside remain x plus 14. Okay. Divided by 2. Again see, 2 into 8, 2x, 2 into 14, 28. Okay. Now cancel, 2 to cancel. S is equal to what you got? X plus 14. So S value is the x plus 14. You keep one side. Next, what is the Heron's formula is there? Area is equal to, I will write here. See, carefully listen. This some little bit length is there. So here I will do. Carefully listen. Area finding, what is the formula is there? A is equal to, see here. A is equal to Heron's formula. What is their formula? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root. Okay, this is the finding area of a triangle by using Heron's formula. Okay, now apply the values properly. A is equal to, already you know, S value how much is there? X plus 14. You write it. S plus X plus 14 I am writing. Into S minus A. S means what? Again X plus 14. Minus A means what? A means first measurement. A means what you will take? 8 plus X. Outside minus is there. Carefully write 8 plus X. Okay. Okay. This one you keep one bracket. Okay. S into S minus A. Next we will do S minus B. S minus B means, carefully listen. S means what is there? S means X plus 14. Okay. Minus B means what? B means what? 6 plus X. 6 plus X. Okay. Bracket close. Carefully you do. Next, what is there? X plus S minus C. So, X plus 14 minus C means what? 14. Minus 14. Okay. Here write 14 properly. Here bracket close. Here 14 is there. See beta. Okay, now see here. Now we will remove the bracket. So see here, S into S minus A. Carefully listen. This is S. S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, under root. Okay. Carefully listen. X plus 14. Okay, bracket. Carefully listen. X plus 14. Outside minus is there. Symbols will change. Minus into plus, minus 8. Minus into plus, minus X. Okay. Outside minus is there means inside symbol will change. This is plus means minus. Again plus means minus. Okay. Now keep this on one side. Next come here. X plus 14. This is minus 6 minus X. Okay. Next see here. X plus 14 minus 14. Okay. Now this bracket simplification over. You keep in your mind outside minus is there means inside symbol will change. This is plus 8, you will get minus 8. Plus X, you will get minus 8. Here plus 6, you will get minus 6. Plus X minus 6. Okay. Next see here. Under root. Now see here. X plus 14. Here any cancel chances is there? See. This cancel. Okay. Now 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 means what you will get? 14 minus 8. 6 you will get. You keep one side 6. Okay. 14 minus 8. 8 9, 6 correct. Next this cancel. 14 minus 6. Again you will get 6. 8 you will get. Okay. Into 8. Next what is remain here? This cancel. What is remain here? X remain under root. Okay. Slowly correctly do it. Next X plus 14 into 8 6 48x. Okay, this is x plus 14. 6 8 48x under root. Okay, x plus 14 48x came. You keep one side. This is what area of this full triangle area. This full triangle area over. But this x value finding no chance here. So what we are doing, first here concept understand. See here. This separate area we will find. This area one side one time, this area one time, this area one time, and adding these three areas. Carefully listen. This area, this area, this area equal to overall full area you will get. Okay. Now what I will do, carefully listen. Area of triangle ABC. Okay, see here one more paper we will take. See here what I am doing. See here area of triangle ABC. See here. Area of triangle ABC. It is equal to this full triangle ABC equal to area of triangle. First down one we will take OBC. Okay, this full triangle equal to first I will take area of triangle OBC. Okay, right here area of triangle OBC plus. Okay, next we will take what? AOB, this triangle AOB I will take area of triangle AOB plus AOB over next AOC. area of triangle, which one? This triangle I will take, AOC. Okay, this full triangle equal to, one more color I will take. See here, this full triangle equal to this triangle plus this triangle plus this triangle. This 3 added means you will get ABC. These 3 triangles added means you will get ABC triangle. This one we will simplify. Okay, now carefully listen. Area of triangle ABC. Just now you got what is there? X plus 14. Area of triangle ABC is equal to, write it, X plus 14 into 48X. Okay, under root. Okay, area of triangle is equal to X plus 14 plus 48X you got. Now we will do separate. What is the area of the triangle? Area of a triangle formula here, half into base into height, correct? Half into base into height. First, which triangle is there? BOC is there. So this is equal to, try to understand, half into, what is the base is there? 8 plus 6. Base is the 8 plus 6, how much? 14. 14 is the base. Into height, how much? This is the height. What is the 14 into 4? Okay, plus this over. You come this side. This side you are taking means half into base into height. Half into, here what is the base? 8 plus x is the base. Okay, half into 8 plus x is the base. Into height what? This is also 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. So here height what? 4 centimeter is the height. Plus half into base. Here what is the base? 6 plus x is the base. Okay, 6 plus x into, what is the height? 4 is the height, into 4. Okay, now we will simplify this one slowly. Okay, carefully listen. See here, x plus 14 into 48x under root is equal to, now we will simplify. Carefully listen. 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel. Okay, 14 2s are 28 plus, here see 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel. Here what is remain? 2 into 8 plus x remain. Okay, next come this side. 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel. Here 2 into 6 plus x remain. Okay, now we will simplify this one. Now see here, 28 plus 2 8s are 16 plus 2 into x 2x plus 2 6 are 12 plus 2 into x 2x. This side write as it is, x plus 14 into 48x under root. Okay, now see here, this one we will simplify. 2x 2x 4x, 28 to 16 or 12, 28 to 16 or 12 we will add, 28 to 16 or 12. Okay, 8 9 10 16 2 3 4 5 56. So plus 56 here. 2x 4x, this added means 56 you will get. This side write as it is, x plus 14 into 48x under root. Okay, now we don't want the root. Now we don't want root means what we will do? Carefully listen. This root we will cancel. So what I am doing? Here also square I am doing. Here also square I am doing. Okay. Now see, first before squaring this one, here something is the common. Later we will do square. Something is common here. See here, x plus 14 into 48x under root. Okay. Carefully listen. Later we will do square. Here something is common. What is the common? 4 common. 4 common means what is remain? X plus 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 is 16. Okay. So here something is the common. What is the common? 4 common. 4 common means x plus 14. Now this root we will cancel. Root cancel means what we will do? Square we will do. First we will do here also square. Here also square. Square means what happens? This square root will cancel. What is remain here? X plus 14 remain. Here 48x remain. Okay, is equal to, carefully listen, 4 square means what you will get? 16 into x plus 14 whole square. Okay, into x plus 14 whole square. Now see here, carefully listen, x plus 14 into 48x is equal to 16 into x plus 14 whole square. Whole square means we can write 2 times. So this one we are writing 2 times. X plus 14 into x plus 14. Okay. Now anything cancel chance is there. See, x plus 14 cancel. Next, what is remain? See, 16 1 is 16, 16 3 is 48. Okay. So here what is remain? 3x is equal to, here what is remain? X plus 14 remain. Okay. This x you take this side, 3x minus x is equal to 14. Okay. 3x minus x, you will get 2x is equal to 14. Okay. Here we will do, see here, x is equal to 14 by 2. Any cancel chance? 2 1s are 2 7s are. So x is equal to what? 7. Now you got x value is the 7. But he is asking what? Carefully see here. AB length asking, AC length asking. So now we will find AB length and AC length. Okay, carefully see here. I will do AB length. How you will do AB length? AB means this side. AB means what you took? X plus 8. Starting we took AB is equal to x plus 8, AC is equal to 6 plus x. So AB is equal to x plus 8. X value just now you got, what is the x value? X value is the 7. So 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 means it is a 15 centimeter. AB value is the 15 centimeter. Again is asking AC also. AC is equal to what is there? X plus 6. X plus 6. X value, what is the x value? 7. 7 plus 6. 7 13 centimeter. It is a 13 centimeter. AB value is the 15 centimeter. AC value is the 13 centimeter. This is the answer. Little bit lengthy sum. You understand and do it. Again, you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.